Java Certification Roadmap 2026, your complete guide to becoming a certified Java developer. In 2026, Java continues to power enterprise applications, cloud systems, and modern backend development. Start with the Oracle Certified Foundations Associate. This is perfect for beginners to learn Java basics and programming fundamentals. Next, move to the Oracle Certified Associate. Here you will build a strong foundation in object-oriented programming and core Java concepts. Then aim for the Oracle Certified Professional Java SE8 Programmer. This certification is still widely respected and validates strong real-world Java skills. After that, upgrade to modern certifications like Java SE 17 or Java SE 21 Developer. These cover advanced features like streams, concurrency, and modern Java APIs. Next, move into enterprise development with the Oracle Certified Professional Java EE Application Developer. This focuses on building scalable enterprise applications. Finally, specialize with the Spring Certified Professional Certification. This is highly valued for microservices and cloud-native development. To crack these certifications confidently, practice is key. Use My Exam Cloud practice tests for real exam level preparation. Follow this roadmap and become a complete Java developer in 2026.